to the heavy machining floor of the Hublot.
The Hublot Big Bang.
Moving to my tingler, the craftsman.
The metallurgy department of the Hublot factory.
A rhodium plating process to ensure longevity. Occurs in a specialized micro-milling station. The young Caucasian male watchmaker performs a freedom test on the
as the balance wheel is
allowing for the independent 24-hour hand function.
The watch's timing accuracy is measured
The manual winding function and hacking stop feature are tested by the master watchmaker.
The unique serial number of the watch is electronically recorded and engraved onto
The inner lid of the Hublot Big Bang watch box is closed, sealing the timepiece in. Performance in sub-zero conditions. The location is the environmental testing wing.
A laser measurement tool is used to check the exact gap between the fixed bezel and the curved Hardlex crystal. Curved Hardlex crystal is cleaned with a specialized ionized air jet to remove every microscopic dust particle before final casing.